Hello everyone, and welcome to my brand new channel where I will be showing you how to draw all sorts of fun things ranging from beginner, absolutely no experience, to something a little bit more advanced. So today we're going to start with drawing a unicorn shark because, well, why not? Why not have a little bit of fun? And I will be using a Sharpie to do the lines, but of course you could use anything you would like, including pencil. You can't erase Sharpies, so with a pencil you can erase. If you feel a little bit more confident using a pencil, please feel free to use that. I also have these are alcohol markers. Any other kind of markers will do. I just bought a very basic set from Amazon.com, and it's just alcohol markers. They were very affordable and they come in thousands of shades. And I got a pack of about 80 colors for maybe $20. Of course, any other kind of coloring materials will be very nice too. Crayons, Crayola markers, washable markers, even paints. So please feel free to use whatever you would like. All right, let's get started. So to draw our unicorn shark today, we're going to start with the top of the shark. Okay, we're going to draw a big curvy line that goes to about halfway. We have to make sure that we leave space for a big fin up here. Then we're going to skip a bit of space. We're not going to draw here. We're going to skip this space here. And we're going to draw and continue the curve. Now, sharks' mouths don't start in the middle here. They actually start over here towards the bottom. So at the tip of the nose, which is right here, I'm going to draw a short line that goes down a little bit and over to the left. And that's where the mouth is going to be. That's where the mouth is going to start. Now, to draw the mouth, I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to give it a nice big mouth, and I'll give it some goofy teeth as well. And I'm going to draw like a V shape, a little bit out. I want to be able to show off some teeth in a moment. Then I'm going to draw the bottom part of the shark. Now I'm going to stop here because sharks also have bottom fins, right? As well as a big top fin. And I want to make sure I leave enough space down here for that fin. I'm going to skip a gap over again, just like I did at the top. And I am going to go ahead and draw a line, maybe with a little bit of a curve for the tail. And I'm going to take that top line too, bring it over and down, just like that. And then I'm going to quickly put in the tail, starting with the top part. Okay. Maybe I'll also color the tail in rainbow colors. Okay, and I'm going to make another line connecting. There you have a very easy tail. Now back to the top for that top fin here. Let's go ahead and draw a curve that goes up, but also over, and I want to make it nice and big. Now let's have a little bit of fun. So instead of going and connecting it to here, we're going to take it out, and sharks have this thing on their, I think it's called their dorsal fin. And they sort of have a little bit of that. But if you don't have that, if you don't put this in yours, that's okay too. You could just connect this line to that line right there. Now let's go ahead and put in the bottom fins. We're going to start them right here, not here, a little bit into the body. And the same thing that I did here, where I kind of added a little notch here, sharks have that on their fins right there too. So it's just a little notch. And again, if you don't feel confident putting it in, if you just want to draw a straight line, you can go ahead and do that. I'll also put in the fin on the other side. It's going to look just like this one, but it's going to start a little bit over on the body here. And we're just going to mimic the same shape that we did over there. And there we go. And there's that. Now let's put in some eyes. And finally, a unicorn horn. Okay, just gonna put in some black eyes. Ooh, I promised some goofy teeth. Our shark is not very scary. And then, of course, finish it off with a unicorn horn. And then I will give the unicorn horn some diagonal stripes. Okay, there you have it. There is the drawing portion done for the shark. Let's go ahead and give it some color. All right, so for our colors, I picked out some simple colors for us here. We're gonna start with a light gray color to do the shark's body, and we're gonna shade it with a little bit of a darker gray color. Alcohol markers are really cool because you could shade with them. And then we're gonna add, now you could do whatever colors you would like for the unicorn horn, but I'm gonna add a pink and a turquoise. So let's start with this light gray. It says green gray on here. Now, alcohol markers also come in two sizes. There's a larger, broader tip and a fine tip. So I'm going to use the broad tip. It's going to be easier to fill everything in. And I'm just going to go ahead and start coloring. A little tip about alcohol markers too, they are always going to look a little bit darker in the beginning when they're wet. Once they dry, they will become a little bit lighter. So that's something important to keep in mind. And they tend to also dry pretty evenly. Now you see how quickly it can go with a broad tip marker. And you see how this side is already getting lighter. Now, I don't know about you guys, I always found this very relaxing. Okay. Now we're going to go in with my darker gray. This is called blue gray. And I'm going to give a little bit of shading on my shark. Now, again, these are cool. You're going to notice they blend really well into each other. You could put one color right over the top. And I'm going to try to shade this so that it looks nice and three-dimensional a little bit. So I'm going to go in at the bottom, give the shark some shading at the bottom, just like that. And I think I'll also shade this fin on this side as well. And so it looks like it's got a little bit of shading on it. Okay. Now let me show you a cool trick. So I'm going to take this marker and right over the top, I want to shade a little bit better. I'm going to try to see how the edges are going to start blurring on here. Okay. Now for a little touch of color. I love color. I'm going to go in now with the fine half of my marker. This color is called turquoise blue. And I'm going to shade every other stripe here in turquoise. And then I'll do the same thing, but this time with the color Vivid Pink. Looks like highlighter. And there we have it, a shark. So there you have it, folks, a shark unicorn, a unicorn shark, a little fun for my very first video. I hope you enjoy this and anything else I will be posting. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe and give me a like. Help a new channel grow, and I will keep posting more and more content just for you. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.